Hi, boys and girls. I'm Miss Chan, and today I'm going to be reading Can I Be Your Dog by Troy Cummings. This has become one of my favorite picture books. I was introduced to it at the book fair this year. One of my students bought it for my class, and it ended up on our March Madness bracket. It's become one of my class's favorite picture books as well. It's about a dog named Arfie, and he is a sweet, adorable dog, but he's homeless. Well, can one of Arfie's letters help him find a home on Butternut Street? I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. Can I Be Your Dog by Troy Cummings. Dear people at Yellow House, woof! Can I be your dog? I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first. Dear Arfie, we're so sorry, but you cannot be our dog. Our cat is, allergic to dogs. Good luck in your search. The Honeywells. Dear Butcher Lady, can I be your dog? I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep the floor nice and clean. Arfie. Look, pal, I've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. Veronica Shank, Butcher. P.S. No hard feelings. Enjoy these dried giblets and good luck finding a home. Nom nom nom. Dear Fire Station Number 5, can I be your dog? I can fetch your boots. Plus, let's just say I know my way around a fire hydrant. I've sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street. And yours is the shiniest. Arfie. Butternut Street Fire Station. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search. Station number 5. Dear Junkyard Guy, I'm not gonna lie, you're my next to last choice, but these past few days have been rough. Rough, rough, rough. So please, can I be your dog? I don't eat much, and I can bark if people try to steal your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie. Dear Mutt, get lost. Dear last house on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell, but I'm not picky, just lonely. Arfie. Looks like there's a letter that says return to sender. Nobody at this address, which was the last house on Butternut Street. And the letter got returned to Arfie in the soggy box in the alley. Aroo. What do you guys notice? Looks like Arfie got a letter taped to his cardboard box, his soggy cardboard box in the alley. To Arfie. Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what, snow, rain, heat, or gloom of night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first-class partner. With hugs and head scratches, Mitzi Whipple, letter carrier. P.S. If you agree, meet me at the big blue mailbox. Dear Mitzi, you know what? My tail has been wagging ever since I got your note. My answer is yes! Truly yours, Arfie. Scritch, scratch. Here's how you can help a homeless animal. Adopt a shelter animal instead of buying a pet. Volunteer at a shelter or a pet adoption event. Spay or neuter your pet so there will be fewer fur babies to find a home for. Donate to your local animal shelter or a national animal advocacy group, such as American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA.org, or the Humane Society, humanesociety.org. Extend a helpful paw so all our animal friends can find forever homes. Arfie.